Hey YouTube, Brad here again, Fat Magnet Guy. Anyway, we're here at another bridge. We're gonna do some more magnet fishing. Never been here before, so we're gonna be real careful. It looks like it's shallow. So, but we passed another bridge on the way here. If we don't have nothing here, we'll stop at another one. So, if you're looking for a magnet, links in the description below. Rogue Magnetics, Kratos Magnetics. We're gonna get these magnets in the water.
Yep. Look, just dropped it in there. Didn't throw it, just dropped it.
We got a damn hammer on the very first row. What the H?
Nice. Yeah, what is that?
Some type of bolt that got cut. Big bolt.
Nice.
Look at that, got cut right off.
Yep. Nope. Got a nail. 2 nails, actually.
Leaves. Gotta love leaves.
Can you get my nails off my magnet?
Like real fishing. Can you put the bait on my hook? Can you get the fish I caught off my hook?
Yeah.
Sure, I'm not catching no fish, but I'd love to get your fish off the hook. You got a little screw head too, did you show them that?
Oh no, I didn't know that.
A little, tiny little.
Oh. 2 more nails.
Nails.
Nice. Like a candy cane. Another nail. Your magnet is full, but...
Stick. Nail. Chain.
Okay.
It's a chain of some kind. Leaves.
More leaves.
Lots of leaves.
That's nice. Ew.
Our nunchucks.
Let's not swing that around, please. I don't want to get muddy.
Chain link.
Another bolt. And a nail. Okay, that's probably the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
What the heck is that? Gosh. Big nail. More barbed wire.
That's weird. What is that?
A bolt, but it's got a big rubber piece on the end of it.
Okay.
Cool. I got more chain links, little ones. Another big nail. See, that's chain.
Yeah.
Another ouch, piece of rebar in a
Yeah, whatever that
shape
is.
of a V.
And I got a nail, and then I don't know what this is, but it's magnet.
Some kind of magnetic rock or something.
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Wifey got something. It's mostly rubber. Literally, the only thing metal is inside of that ring.
Wow, that was rock.
Don't know what it is. It's in the bucket though.
That's cool.
Huh.
More nails.
I can't reach it over there, baby girl. Bring it over here, I'll get it off for you.
Lots of nails. Another one of these bolts. He came across the bridge and got nails.
8 of them.
Nice. This side's a little bit more sketchier because there's
This
some
side I don't
concrete.
really want to even throw my magnet. I just kind of dropped it.
Yeah, lots of concrete down here.
She got another one of them U-shaped rebars.
Yep.
They're actually pretty heavy too.
Yeah. Nice.
Huh.
What is that?
Oh, it's got a little eye on the end.
Hmm.
And a little, it's like a little wing nut or something on the bottom that you twist. Go.
Yeah. I didn't get much. I think I just got a nail. One little nail. Lots of salad.
Other than salad, I got a big old bolt.
Ew.
Come on! And Kratos magnet, man, it's strong. Look at that bolt.
That's a nice bolt.
I'm gonna knock somebody out with that thing. Holy crap.
You caught an octopus! Oh wait, that's just salad. That is a lot of salad.
I got no wrench.
And no Rachel to throw the salad at you. Look, you got a nail.
I caught a nail under there. And a flat piece of rust or something.
Nice.
Metal goes in the bucket, grass goes back in the water.
More nails. Lots and lots of nails. Always. Got anything?
Like, share, and subscribe if you like grass.
I couldn't tell if there was anything hanging from the magnet.
I don't know.
Ah, rocks.
Yeah, I got a furniture nail.
Oh, a nail?
One of those little tiny nails with the black rubber ends.
Yeah, I see that.
Ow! It's sharp. Jeez.
And some rust. Nails.
Looks like you might have a carabiner.
Bolts.
Oh no, that's a chain link or something. Some sort of a chain link or something that got cut. Look.
Yeah.
Somebody used bolt cutters to cut a chain link. Nail, nail. Good catch, babe. I love nails.
We can build a house. At least a tree house for the kids.
Nut.
Had a magnet full.
Alright guys, we came to our second bridge here, second location. Got tired of pulling up, you know, little tiny nails every throw, so
Mostly salad.
we're gonna throw here a couple times. It's really small, so we can only fit one magnet, so I'm gonna be the only one throwing. What give the wifey a break from out fishing me. So, oh, there's a bucket. Can always use another bucket.
Oh yeah, there's a bucket over there.
But let's see what we get.
Yep. I think
You can tell we're on a highway, but I caught a nail.
That's something. But it won't come up. What the heck?
Splinters from that cable.
Ew. something else fell on the ground, but I don't know what it was. Nice.
Looks like somebody's old snatch cable or something.
Yeah. Went and got that bucket from over there and putting the cable into the bucket.
Ow.
Doesn't want to bend too well. Woo. Yay, it's in.
Oh. I'm probably bleeding in 7 spots now. Dang, steel cable pulled out of the water.
Yeah, look at all these little pieces that fell off of it.
Big ass piece of rebar.
And a tree branch stuck to it. Good
What
catch.
about the tree branch? I wanted my rebar candy cane.
Yep, it's a candy cane. Just in time for Christmas.
Alright, YouTube. I'm tired. We're gonna get out of here. We didn't get a bunch, but I got a new bucket. Well, new to me. Got some pretty cool stuff. Got a big piece of rebar and a hammer.
That semi-trailer was going like this.
Anyway, get out of here while you can still hear me. Like, share, and subscribe. And link in the description below for the magnets. Rogue Magnetics, Kratos Magnetics, Fat Magnet Guy.